Hi guys, good evening. Right now it's about 6 minutes past 6 p.m. and today is 12th of October 2021. I'm really sure that you have made good money along with StockPro today. I'm your host, Dr. Seema Jain. I'm a PhD in physics from IIT Delhi. I'm SEBI registered research analyst, founder and chief mentor at StockPro, partner with Zerodha, Upstocks, Files, and Asta Trade. So I have some stocks for you all, but I'm going to talk about them in a short duration. But you can follow me on my Twitter handle, which is Dr. Seema Jain @ StockPro Seema Jain 2017. You can follow me on my Telegram channel, which is having about 4,64,000 subscribers, and you will see Stock Pro official SEBI register. You will search, like if you want to join a Telegram channel, please search whether they are SEBI registered or not, right? Because it takes SEBI registration doesn't mean anything, but it means commitment. You know how committed one is for their work, right? And also you should see what kind of presence they have on the channel, right? Please do not join a channel which does not have a name, which does not have a personal identity on their Telegram channel. Just make sure about these things, because what is important is that how. And also one more thing that you need to check: the presence on the various media. Like Twitter is a best place. Like if you find person on Twitter and you find them having good followers, plus there you will see all these places where people write comment. People cannot stay on Twitter for long duration, because the public is going to just tear them apart, right? So watch their Twitter handle, what kind of activity is happening, what kind of comments are happening. That's another way to form your opinion about a particular person. Then you should see what they're doing on their uh, on their channel. Also always look, whether people are so you will find some people don't even leave their comment section on. Some people, that means they're hiding something, right? You should have liberty. People should have liberty to give their opinion, isn't it? If I'm publicly publishing my research, people should have an opinion, right? They should be allowed to give a thumbs up or thumbs down, or they should be able to write the comments. That's another way to know how honest people are with their work, right? So these are a few points you should keep in mind when you follow somebody, when you trust somebody. How do you trust them? That depends upon what kind of work they are doing and what kind of presence they have on the social media. So this is my way of guiding you to take the right decision, make the right decision. Do not follow, like I know for a fact there are so many channels which are just copy pasting uh, our research, exactly same whatever we post. If I'll say ignore, they will write ignore. If I'll say wait, they will say wait. And they take calls from our premium channels, right? And they take calls from our public channels. It doesn't matter to us at all, but I'm warning you guys, who are the public, who's actually trusting them. Please do not do that, right? You should understand how you are being fooled. So anyway, let's come back. If you remember my yesterday's analysis, I told you that Bank Nifty is looking very, very positive to me at this point of time, right? And have a look at what kind of movement Bank Nifty has given. And not only that, Bank Nifty has closed at lifetime high today, right? It created a new high, right? Bank Nifty has created a new high today, right? So it's a very strong sentiment. Imagine if you just have a look at Nifty, right? So there is this channel which is getting formed in Bank Nifty. Let me just draw it for you. And there is this channel which is getting formed on Bank Nifty. See here, this is how it is forming here, right? Now, if tomorrow it breaks, right? It's going to be pretty a bullish side, right? Is this thing, if you see, Canara Bank was the top. We had public, public sector banks were And you see here Federal Bank and public sector bank were doing good, but private banks were not doing as well, right? But doesn't matter. There is, when public sector banks do well, I feel, there are some government policies which are basically supporting them. So that could be a good sign, right? And have a look at Nifty today, right? Have a look at Nifty today. Nifty has also um, closed at a new high, right? You should notice that although it made a new high yesterday, right? But closing of Nifty is on a new high, right? If you just see, this closing is basically a fresh high that has been made, right? So that's a very bullish sign. If we believe that both Bank Nifty and Nifty going to move in the same direction tomorrow, we can definitely expect a good move up. Although I'm giving you one this thing that it doesn't look very good. uh, uh, it doesn't look very good as far as international scenario is concerned at this point of time. अगर मैं इस समय इंटरनेशनल मार्केट को देखती हूँ तो मुझे बहुत पॉजिटिव नहीं लगता है. बट अगर मैं अब निफ्टी को देखती हूँ, independent of international market, then both Nifty and Bank Nifty are looking very bullish. So let's just understand them through the option chain. Just have a look here. This is Bank Nifty, right? Now, so highest contract, if you see, are here at this place, which is 39,000, right? Where there are about 59,200 contracts written here, which is a very safe limit for it to go up, right? This 39,000 will not be crossed this expiry, but there are 16,224 contracts that have been written today, right? So this forms a very strong barrier. 36, 38, 600 forms a very strong barrier. If I have a look at all the contracts that have been added today in uh, in Bank Nifty, so from here to here, if I just go about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 contracts, 16 plus 10 plus 12, 26 plus 12, 38, right? Now, if I just see on the other side, if I just see on the other side, huge amount of puts have been written. That means Bank Nifty has formed a very solid base at 38,500, right? It doesn't look to me that's going to expire below 38,500, right? But let's see how dynamics change tomorrow. कैसे market कल change होता है, we don't know. क्योंकि होता क्या है कि live market में sentiments are something different and the market changes. अगर यहाँ पे अनवाइंडिंग होती है कल, राइट, इस लेवल पे, तो इसका मतलब यही है कि मार्केट थोड़ा सा हो सकता है करेक्ट हो. बट मुझे अभी कोई ऐसा साइन दिखाई नहीं देता है जिसको देख के मैं ये बोलूं कि मार्केट में करेक्शन आने वाला है. एंड पता नहीं क्यों मैं इतना बुलिश रहती हूँ हर वक्त मार्केट में कि मुझे नेगेटिविटी दिखती ही नहीं है, राइट? अब देख लेते हैं निफ्टी को. निफ्टी में क्या हो रहा है अगर हम कॉन्ट्रैक्ट्स देखें तो ये कॉन्ट्रैक्ट्स है जो आज लिखे गए हैं. ये बहुत सेफ कॉन्ट्रैक्ट है एट दिस प्लेस, राइट, विच इज 18,250. दैट मीन्स इस बार 18,250 तो क्रॉस नहीं होगा, राइट, फॉर श्योर. 20,000 contracts have been written today, right? 16,000 contracts have been written at 18,200. Whereas अगर आप यहाँ देखते हो तो put unwinding हुई है, right? और यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा put writing हुई है. तो अगर देखा जाए तो निफ्टी थोड़ा सा बेरिश है, बैंक निफ्टी थोड़ा सा बुलिश है, राइट? अब देखते हैं कि कौन किसको अपने साथ खींच के लेके जाता है, कि बैंक निफ्टी निफ्टी को लेके जाता है कि निफ्टी बैंक निफ्टी को लेके जाता है, अपने साथ नीचे लेके जाता है. तो बैंक निफ्टी निफ्टी को ऊपर लेके जाएगा और निफ्टी बैंक निफ्टी को नीचे लेके आएगी. तो देखते हैं कल क्या होता है. मुझे लगता है कल मार्केट थोड़ा सा रेंज बाउंड ही रहने वाला है. अब आई डोंट नो, क्योंकि दोनों तरफ से रस्साकसी होगी. इधर निफ्टी जो है उसको नीचे ले जाने की कोशिश करेगी और बैंक निफ्टी उसको ऊपर ले जाने की कोशिश करेगी, राइट? तो दोनों तरफ से एक स्ट्रॉन्ग फाइट बिटवीन बुल्स एंड बियर्स में हैपन. बट लेट्स सी. नेवरदलेस आई एम ऑलवेज वेरी पॉजिटिव ऑन निफ्टी. सो आज जो मैं आपको कुछ स्टॉक्स देने वाली हूँ जो 6 लिखे हैं मैंने, बट आई थिंक मुझे 7 करने पड़ेंगे। तो सबसे पहला तो स्टॉक यही है, SRF अगेन, जो आज भी दिया था मैंने, कल भी दिया था मैंने, और फिर मैं दे रही हूँ उसको, राइट। SRF आज के हाई के ऊपर 12,950, 12,592 और 12,300 के ऊपर लेंगे, और हमारा जो टारगेट इसमें रहेगा, इसमें 13,000 का टारगेट फॉर श्योर बनता है। और अगर 13,000 का टारगेट क्रॉस हो जाता है, then we can go for 13,500, right? That's going to be, at least this month's expiry is not going to be less than 13,500, ऐसा मुझे लगता है, right? That's my first stock. The second stock that I have on my radar is Bajaj Finserv, right? I don't know how I missed it yesterday. You know, मैंने लिखा हुआ था, अपनी कॉपी में लिखा हुआ था अच्छे से कि बजाज फिनसर्व में एक ब्रेकआउट आने वाला है 100%। एंड सुबह मैंने SRF दिया, जुबिलियंट फूड दिया, सब दिए, बट मैं बजाज फिनसर्व को भूल गई। क्योंकि इतना कुछ चल रहा होता है ना सुबह सुबह मार्केट में कि टाइम ही नहीं मिलता टू कम टू अ पॉइंट कि एक आधा चीज मिस ही हो जाती है। एंड आई फील सो बैड आफ्टर दैट, यू नो, जो कि एक अच्छा खासा पैसा बन रहा था एक चीज में और वो छूट गया। सो बजाज फिनसर्व जो है, इसमें हम बाय करेंगे 18,500 के ऊपर, और इसका जो टारगेट है मेरा 19,000 का टारगेट फॉर श्योर है, राइट। इस मंथ के लिए इसका टारगेट 19,000 का है, राइट। ये जगह पे आपको एक रेजिस्टेंस मिलेगा, और 19,000 क्रॉस होते ही आपको एक टारगेट मिलेगा 20,000 का स्ट्रेट, राइट। 19,000 का बैरियर क्रॉस होने के बाद आप सीधा 20,000 का एक टारगेट देख सकते हैं, राइट। एंड बट 20,000 इज गोइंग टू बी अ वेरी वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग बैरियर, तो वहां पे आपको थोड़ा केयरफुल रहना पड़ेगा। तो जो नेक्स्ट स्टॉक मेरे रडार पे है, तो अभी 2 स्टॉक्स की बात हो गई, SRF की बात होगी, बजाज फिनसर्व की बात होगी। नेक्स्ट स्टॉक जो मेरे रडार पे है वो है ट्रेंट, राइट। ट्रेंट जो है वो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है। और मैं बिफोर आई गिव यू मोर स्टॉक्स, मेरे को आपसे ये पूछना है कि कल आपको क्या लगता है कौन सा सेक्टर चलेगा? आई वॉन्ट एवरीबडी हु इज वॉचिंग माई वीडियो to write it down, right? If I get your answer, I will give my opinion also, right? But मैं अपना opinion दूंगी इसमें, I will give my opinion in the community, right? But early morning दूंगी मैं, but I want to hear from you. Okay, so these are my positions today, I'm still holding, but let's see क्या होता है कल, देखते हैं। तो आपको मुझे बताना है कि इक्विटी में कौन सा सेक्टर चलने वाला है। मेरे को बिल्कुल क्लियर आइडिया है कौन सा सेक्टर चलेगा, बट आई एम नॉट गिविंग अ क्लू। आई वांट एवरीबडी राइट, everybody to write. So there are about roughly about 3,000 views. I want you to at least 2,000 answers here, right? Just don't be a passive passive audience. Be an active audience. You know, I do so much effort for you so that you all learn, so that you all learn along with me the stock market, understand the stock market with me. तो प्लीज राइट डाउन कि कल आपको कौन से, मेरे दिमाग में 2 FNO के सेक्टर्स है और एक कैश का सेक्टर है, बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग है। कैश का सेक्टर तो इतना स्ट्रॉन्ग है कि you will be surprised, but I'll give you before 9 o'clock. But I want, you know, at least 500 thumbs up, and I want at least 1,000 comments minimum. See, abhi kitne comments hai? 34 comments hai. So sad, so sad. Imagine 3,000 people watch and they don't even feel like appreciating the work. This is so sad, you know, because you all benefit so much from my research, right? I'm not asking anything where you need to pay money, just all free. But how the you know, only a magnanimous person can be appreciative of others' work. So please write comment, please write your opinion, you know, how you feel. So my question remains, let me write it down for you. So the question is, which 2 FNO sector and 1 cash sector will run tomorrow? Tomorrow or the next week, right? Tomorrow or in next few days, right? So I want you to write. You can go to my Twitter handle. I'll post this question on the Twitter handle. You please write it in the Telegram on my YouTube channel. On this video's comment box, please write, right? And I don't know whether I should do a contest or not, but anyway, write it this time. Then next time I'm going to do a contest, and everybody who at least two or three people who really answer correctly, I will definitely be rewarding you. So Bajaj Finserv is my next trade, and so first trade मैंने आपको कौन सा दिया था? I had given you SRF, then I had given you Bajaj Finserv. The next trade that I have on my radar is Trend, right? Trend को आपको कहाँ पे लेना है? You have to buy above today's high, right? मैंने तो इसकी बाइंग बहुत समय से दे रखी है, 1050 के आसपास से दे रखी है, बट अगर ये कल 1143 के ऊपर जाता है, you can take an entry into Trend. The next stock that I have on my radar is Jindal Steel, right? Jindal Steel is also looking very good, right? कहाँ पे हमारी entry बनेगी? Our entry will be right above this place. 425 के आसपास हमारी entry बनेगी, and you can expect a good blast till about 450, right? 25 points ka movement in this stock is going to be a very meaningful movement. Then the next stock that I have in my radar is Siemens, right? Siemens. So Siemens is also looking very good, right? Rising, price is continuously rising in the upward direction, right? And then next stock that I have on my radar is Wipro, right? Wipro is my next stock. Look at how the price is consolidating. कहाँ पे हमको buying करनी है? आज ये 659.1 पे क्लोज हुआ है, हमको बाय करना है इसको 668 के ऊपर, राइट? एंड 668 के ऊपर हमारा जो आफ्टर दैट हमारा टारगेट विल बी एट लीस्ट 689, मतलब 668 से 689, 20 पॉइंट्स का हमारा इसमें मिनिमम टारगेट रहेगा, और अगर 20 पॉइंट्स को ये क्रॉस कर देता है तो 700 का टारगेट हमारा फॉर श्योर रहेगा, राइट? सो दैट्स माय नेक्स्ट स्टॉक. And the last stock that I'm giving you is Adani Enterprises, right? Adani Enterprises we have to buy above 1570. ये मैं आपको 2-3 दिन से दे रही हूँ, और जिस दिन इसमें blast आएगा तो guys do not miss it, because if you miss it, it's like आंखें खुली होने के बाद भी कुछ नहीं कर पाए वाला, जैसे आज मैंने SRF मिस किया, वैसी वाली बात हो जाएगी. So let's not do that. I'll just show you the list that I have made. I have given you the list here. FNO stocks are Bajaj Finserv, Trent, Jindal Steel, Siemens, Wipro, and Adani Enterprises, right? And my question, right? Again, I'm asking you to please write the answer. Do your research. Like at least I'm giving you an incentive कि आप पूरा स्कैन करो मार्केट, अपनी एक ओपिनियन बनाओ, ताकि कल आप रेडी हो कि मैं इस सेगमेंट में ट्रेड मुझे करना है, और आई वांट अ कलेक्टिव लर्निंग अप्रोच. सो प्लीज टेल मी व्हाट एग्जैक्टली डू यू थिंक टुमारो, which sector is going to run in futures FNOs, and which sector is going to run in cash segment, right? And two people, write it over here only, write it over here only. And if anybody, okay, let me give the, I want the answer on the YouTube only, right? Do not send me on the Twitter, write it here on the YouTube. If you give me exactly two segment, you can trust me for sure. If you give me two FNO segment, which I have decided, I'm going to give you those sectors before 9 o'clock, right? So I would also not be knowing, but I'm going to give you that before market opens. So two FNO segments and one cash sector, which will run tomorrow, which may run tomorrow or in few days. So I want everybody to answer, and prices, because there are three of them, three segment, two FNO, and so two segments, right? So it's going to be 1000 for at least three people. If three people give exactly same answer, I will be sending you, our team will contact you and will be giving you 1000 to everybody who's given the right answer. And also one more thing, you must have a GPay, right? We'll only be able to do through GPay, right? So no Paytm, nothing, only through Google Pay. So with this, I'm signing off. Hope you're liking my work, and please share with your friends. It's such a sad situation. I mean, I just, आज थोड़ा सा टाइम है तो बातें करते हैं. मैं देखती हूँ कि ये जितने भी लोग अपना डेली व्लॉग्स बनाते हैं, जो लोग अपने अननेसेसरी स्टफ डालते हैं, कि आज हमने ये किया, आज हम वहां गए, आज हमने ये किया, उस तरह का स्टफ डालते हैं, उन पे 1-1 लाख 2-2 लाख व्यूज हैं, और ये यहाँ से आप पैसे बनाते हो, यहाँ पे 3000 व्यूज हैं. दिस इज प्रीटी सैड. at least let's put in an effort. Give your time in stock market. It will give you so much of return that you will not be able to, your entire next few generations will eat, right? So I'm saying that please encourage our channel, share it with others, tell about the channel to others, tell about my Telegram channel to others, right? So with this, I'm signing off and hoping to get answers from each of you, right? Please write in the comment box which two F&O segment and one cash segment will run tomorrow or in next few days. Take care. Bye bye. See you.